Another example of a little extra weight causing a panic. A California neighborhood was on alert after what they thought a mountain lion was spotted. Turns out it was a case of mistaken identity. The feline terrorizing the Mountain House, California neighborhood was actually this 25-pound stray cat. The residents say the cat is mean and often beats up other cats in the area. Animal control captured the cat and neutered it before letting it back into the neighborhood. They hope the surgery will help him maybe be a little more mellow.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
I have a cat that acts like a mountain lion. I mean, yeah, oh yeah, just, you know, just has an attitude like that. So, yeah, it could be mistaken for, it doesn't look like a mountain lion, though.
No.
No. Almost as big as one, though. 33 degrees right now in Bowling Green. A few high clouds moving through the area, but mainly clear on First Alert Live Doppler radar this morning, with temperatures starting out in the 30s across the Kentucky Mesonet network. A few 20s, upper 20s showing up. 28 Calhoun, 26 up in Hardinsburg. There's 29 in Russellville. Around 30 degrees for Campbellsville this morning. Everybody else in the low 30s at this hour, with Lake Malone being our hometown forecast pinpoint for today. And around the Lake Malone area, Greenville, Central City, you'll see a high today at 55 degrees. Mid-50s, still running well below average for this time of the year. But you'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine. Same for Hopkinsville, 58 today, 57 for Elkton, 55 today for Russellville. And by the way, tonight's Kentucky Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $40 million, while the Mega Millions estimated to be at $50 million. Here's the air quality index, and still moderately high in the tree pollen. It's juniper, maple, elm, and of course Bradford pear, cherry blossoms that are all coming out at this point in time. Grass pollen will soon factor into that as well over the coming days. Ozone and mold both in the good category. UV index running up moderately high for later this afternoon, with that mix of sun and clouds that we are expecting over south central Kentucky today. And there you see the mainly clear sky on Doppler cam as we're looking east, seeing a few high clouds though in the distance. 33 degrees currently in Bowling Green with the humidity at 63%. The barometer is falling slightly. Here is a look from Franklin and our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. Around the Simpson County Courthouse, a mainly clear sky. Some of those same fair weather clouds. 34 degrees, northeast wind at 6. Munfordville, you're all clear this morning in Hart County, 32 degrees there. Jamestown Marina at Lake Cumberland, 35 degrees with a northeast wind at 6 miles an hour. It's 32 right at the freezing mark at the Bowling Green Airport, but not that far south of us. Upper 30s, even low 40s, close to 50 degrees, while 20s are around us to the north and east of us because of high pressure sitting almost right over the Louisville-Cincinnati area, right up 71. You see here, we're the same temperature that we were at this hour yesterday, with around us temperatures running a little either plus or minus about 4 to 5 degrees warmer or cooler, depending on what side of that high pressure you're on. We happen to be on the southeast side of that high pressure center that is going to move right through the area today. It's helping fend off any kind of shower activity, even though yesterday afternoon we did have a few sprinkles and even some reports of sleet down around the Middle Tennessee area. All that has moved away. And here's our high pressure ridge. Notice that it's building all the way out to the Carolinas, back through the Tennessee Valley into the Ohio Valley. That's what's keeping us dry, and that's why we didn't see very much in the way of precipitation yesterday, even though we saw some cloud cover. But that's going to change. Today we'll see that mix of sun and clouds. Tonight becoming mainly cloudy. And here comes an extended trough from that same system now in the Gulf of Mexico that's going to lift rain back into the area by tomorrow morning. Much of the day tomorrow, light rain. No thunderstorms, just some light rain moving through as that trough moves through the Tennessee Valley. Partly sunny for us today, mild 56, then 37. Could even find a few sprinkles overnight tonight. Then tomorrow, back to 54 with a 70% chance of light rain likely during the day tomorrow. It is after that, starting Friday, and just in time for the weekend, that the big warm-up begins. 65 for Friday afternoon, 72, and a great day for Saturday. Maybe a shower on Sunday at 73, 76 for opening day for the Hot Rods Monday, and a few scattered showers there Tuesday as well. But look at those highs, mid 70s, maybe even upper 70s for the middle of next week.